catch me on this.
Yeah, that's okay. This is the Manan X-Men movie.
As you said, you are working for the last 7 to 8 years in South Indian movies. And besides you, there are many actors who come to Bollywood to become Bollywood actors. Means what is the real charisma of Bollywood that brings South Indian actors to Bollywood?
You know, I don't think I can talk about anybody but myself. I've never looked at anybody else's work and done what I do. I've always done what I felt was good for me, what was right for me. I think I don't look at industries in individuality. It could be the South Indian film industry or Hindi films. For me, every film is an individual film and an individual experience. So I always want to be a part of good films. And like I said, for me, the team is very, very crucial because eventually good teams make good films. So for me, that really is very, very important. And I'm choosing films. It could be in any language. For me, language has never been the barrier. I speak Tamil and Telugu now after working in South Indian films. And I speak Hindi and English as well.
Tamanna, from your side, like you have seen the original dance of Himmatwala. The song is going superb. So were you a little nervous or scared, like playing Shriji on screen?
You know, a lot of people have asked me this question: that was there any nervousness or was there any pressure felt to be a part of a film in which Sridevi Madam has has danced and worked before? But I feel that eventually it's the love for the craft that you have and the passion that you have for the job that really makes you enjoy the job. I think this job nobody can do under pressure or in nervousness. You can never perform if you feel like that. But what I really like about being a part of Himmatwala is that Sajid was always very confident, and he instilled that confidence in me and everybody who worked on the film. And I have seen Sridevi ma'am's work since I was a young girl, and I used to mouth her dialogues from Chalbaz. So I remember that, and I think people ask me whether I did any homework for Himmatwala, but I think my homework started when I was very young, while I was watching her movies.
हिम्मतवाला लाइक आपके सब 2 हिम्मत वाले थे, अजय देवगन एंड साजिद. तो आपके ख्याल से आप हिम्मतवाला टाइटल अब किसे देना चाहेंगे?
Both are Himmatwalas in their own right. There's a Himmatwala director and a Himmatwala actor that I have. I cannot compare, between the two. But yes, definitely, I think Ajay Devgan has fought a tiger in the film. That scene is very, very crucial in the film. And moreover, I think even to stand next to a tiger, it needs a lot of courage. But Ajay Devgan has gone ahead and he's had a fist fight with the tiger. So I think Himmatwala is a very entertaining film with these two fantastic people making the film.
What is this with working with action heroes after Ajay Devgan? You're working with Akshay Kumar in your third film in Bollywood.
Yes.
So what is this with action heroes like? अक्षय कुमार के साथ आप जो फिल्म कर रही है उसके बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे किस तरह की फिल्म होगी?
I mean, I can't talk too at this point in time. I can't talk too much about what kind of film it is. But yes, my next film is with Akshay Kumar and Sajid Farhad directing the film. It's their directional debut. They've been the writers on Himmatwala, Bol Bachchan, Singham, all the Golmaal series. So they've been writers on these films, and now they are debuting in direction. And Tips is going to be producing this film. I think that for me, again, I found this a very interesting combination. So for me, the combination has always mattered a lot, and I continue to choose the films on those basis.
It's been said that it's going to be a South remake as well.
No, it's not a remake. It's not a remake of any film. It's a straight film.